Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Premier YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing pre-sale product which is known as PEAP. So here we are on the website and you can check out final countdown to listing. Whether you are already holding PEAP or watching from the sidelines, the biggest update yet are here to shake the entire chain. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So listing on 31st of October is confirmed. 5 top tier EX as well as the EX listings are confirmed. The token price is rumored to be at listing time. It will be $3. It has 100x potential. Current price is still very low. Also, you can check out the initial price is 0.003. Current price is 0.027 and listing price is $3. It still have 100x potential really easily till the listing price. Also, you can check out the community rewards as well. PEAP has raised over 10,000 ETH and 5% of it is going straight into the dual reward pool. So this means total rewards would surpass $2 million till now. So here is their multi-chain asset address and you can open it, and here you can check out its address and you can see they have approximately $2 million there. If ETH hits $5,000 on listing day, every PEAP holders get rewarded into the ether. If it doesn't, you still win with rewards and PEAP backed by 10% of the tokenomics. So ETH has at 4.3k right now and it is close to $5k dollars. So you can check out Ted Pillow's tweet as well about the ether update. So that means your 5% community rewards would surge 4x in the value. Also, ether has been on the rise lately. Layer 2 ecosystems are heating up fast. The rise of ETH will both layer 2 tokens and PEAP is one of them. So don't miss it out. So I also want to tell you about the bonuses. The early and bigger you buy, the higher bonuses you get. Buy now and get 15% of the bonus onto the PEAP for a limited time offer. I also want to tell you about Zero Cut Launchpad. PEAP is launching with 0% fees on its own custom built launchpad. Text not just another listing. PEAP is building its own launchpad tailored for meme fluid token and future community rewards. There isn't a side feature, it's a core part of PEAP ecosystem. So what does this mean? This means that 0% buy sell tax on PEAP native launchpad, instant trading the moment TGE goes live, ecosystem tools built to support meme liquidity and viral growth. No middleman, no restriction. It's 100% transparent. I also want to tell you about their amazing staking feature. They are providing you the APY of 150%. Massive yields. 150% APY means your token growth will be 2.5x in just 1 year. The price bounce multi-layer gains. If PEAP price rises while you are earning 150% APY, your gains will go far beyond 150%. For example, stake 1000 PEAP and the current price is 0.027. So you just have to spend $27, and after staking for 1 year, your PEAP tokens will increase up to 2500 because you can see the 150% APY, and let's put the price is $3, so the amount will become $7,500. So this is approximately 277x return on investment. So I also want to tell you, make sure to enter social media handles such as X handle, Telegram handle, Telegram group. So because the developers of the product are active there, you can come to know about the news of the product as early as possible using these handles. Also, if you search Pepe Ascension on the YouTube, hundreds of videos are uploaded by many YouTubers because this product is currently trending #1 and it's one of the best product right now. So make sure you do some on research as well, and if you want, you can participate into the pre-sale as well because at listing the price will be $3. So you can also check out it, search them on X and find more people that are into the pre-sale. So I hope so you like this amazing and awesome product review, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.